What a perfect start to the year. I think it's an incredible result. Asante Kotoko beat Aduana Stars 2-0 in DORMAA. Incredible result. I was astonished. The way we played, the way we controlled the game, it was just amazing. I'm very happy after that win in a very difficult location. So welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. My name is Clinton Elito as usual. Today we're talking about our incredible result against Aduana in DORMAA. Now, before that game started, I was posting statistics of Kotoko last 5 games against Aduana Stars. We've won only one of our last 5 games against Aduana Stars. I think this is the first time we've beaten Aduana Stars at home, and I think I can't remember the last time we won them with a 2-goal margin. So everything about that game was just incredible, and it was groundbreaking and result record breaking because we did very well. Christopher Nate was not fully fit, or I don't know if he's fit. Augustine Japan came in the right back position. He had problems in the first few minutes of the game, but he had to contain Emmanuel Jimfi and use his intelligence to get fouls and frustrate Emmanuel Jimfi at the early stages of the game, and it worked in favor of Asante Kotoko. Now we move to the midfield, where Richmond Lamte and Mudassir Salifu were absolutely very good. They did all they can to stop Aduana from controlling the midfield. Edon Frimpong and the Prince Aqua guy, they were dumbfounded because they have never ever experienced a midfield display like that in the Ghana Premier League. And Mudassir Salifu and Richmond Lamte, they did everything they could to make sure that Kotoko came out on top in that midfield area. Prosperity did very well, very well, to arrange the boys, tell them to calm pressure, because if you see the way we were exchanging passes, it was amazing. We were exchanging passes, we were moving the ball forward, we were trying to make sure we don't give the ball away too cheaply, and all the players were putting on pressure. We are not sitting back allowing them to come to us. We are going there to force them to play, and we destroyed and disrupted their game plan. I'm very happy with the result, and I'm so happy that Prosperity is the first manager of Asante Kotoko to win at DORMAA. Not 1-0, not a scrappy 1-0, 2-0 convincing win. And I'm also happy for Danlad Ibrahim. He came in, put a good shift, made some nice saves, the free kick he punched, and some other chances, especially when he came out in that chance Yahya Mohammed had. He came out and he cleared the ball. Super sweeper keeper, and I'm very happy with his performance. I'm sure that it will create competition in the goalkeeping department, because I know competition in teams make the players improve themselves. So I'm happy that Danlad Ibrahim took his chances today and was part of that historic victory against Aduana Stars in DORMAA. Amori Ibrahim registered his 3rd assist yesterday. I think it was incredible. He played, I think that's one of his best games in the Kotoko shirt. He played extremely good. He was very nice, and he did all the job. The assist he got, he did all the work. I think he made several interceptions. He ran back when he had to, he intercepted when he had to, and did the block and everything. He played very well. I'm very pleased with his performance. Then we talk about our Cameroonian connection. George Mfrege is the signing of the season. Not apart from the goal he scored, because I think we didn't, for the past few years we haven't had strikers that can head the ball very well like George Mfrege. I'm very happy that the club and the management, the scout, went out to look for a player like him, because it's a kind of player that we obviously miss. He can time the header and score goals. He can hold on to the ball, pass, dribble, take on players. That is what we need at Kotoko. We don't need just shift and shoot. We need players that are very intelligent, that can take on players, that can pass the ball, and that is what George Mfrege is very good at. And I'm very pleased he got his goal yesterday against Aduana. I'm sure that he will be pleased to be part of. He was pleased to be part of this history or record-breaking victory against Aduana Stars. Then Frank Mbella did his part. I would have wanted him to get a goal, but he did his part. He played very well, connected with George Mfrege up front. I think they did very well, and I'm going to applaud them for that. Then as for our centre backs, Yusuf Mubarak and Abdul Ganiyu, they were outstanding. I think the partnership is the best partnership we have at Kotoko right now. Yusuf Mubarak and Abdul Ganiyu, they've been the partnership we've had last season. This season they had a little shaky start, but I think we can see that is the best partnership we have at Kotoko. Abdul Ganio is the captain. He was immense. I think he was the one that created our last goal with a very, very long kick, and caused problems at the back of Aduana Stars defense, and we got that last goal from Richmond Lamte. I think George Mufwege and Richmond Lamte, I don't know which one I'll call the signing of the season, because both of them were absolutely very good yesterday. Richmond Lamte was extremely good. He played very well. He's fast, he's intelligent, he can intercept, he can tackle, he can pass. I don't know how to describe Richmond Lamte because I am out of words for how good he is. I think he's one of the best midfielders in the Ghana Premier League. That's after Modasiri, because Modasiri ran the show. He ran everywhere. I think the midfielder that took the ball forward the most for us was Modasiri, and Richmond Lamte was there to collect it, and cause problems. I think it was a very, very good game yesterday. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy we got it. After our game against King Faisal, I realized that fans were, trying to talk about Prosperity not being the right man for the job. The thing is that Kotoko fans do overreact, and sometimes we just have to accept the defeat. When we lose a game, we accept the defeat. When we win a game, we rejoice. So we can't win all games. It's not possible. We can't win all games. So when the defeat comes, we should be prepared to accept the defeat and say, we tried our best, but we couldn't win this one. We've had some problems in midfield, maybe the defense or attack. We've missed chances. If we take it next time or in the future, we'll be able to win the game and all that. So that is what we should be looking at, instead of talking about sacking the coach or what is going wrong and all that. We can't win all games. So the defeat against King Faisal is in the past now. We should forget about it and forge forward and focus ahead of things yet to come. So I think Kotoko fans should be patient with the coaching, the players and everything. I want us to win the Ghana Premier League this season, but it's not going to happen if we keep on pressuring the boys when they lose a game or when they draw a game or when the performance isn't what we were expecting. So I think Kotoko will come good this season, and I'm sure that Prosperity will tell the boys that we have won here. We should continue with this performance. We should put out this performance in all our games. If we do that consistently, we are going to achieve our goal in the Ghana Premier League. So I'm very happy. Yesterday I was very, 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 very happy. Very happy with the way everyone is saying we broke the jinx at DORMAA. I see how the players were celebrating after the game with the fans. That shows you how important and how much the win means to them. So I'm happy. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the game? Who was your man of the match? I think my man of the match was Modasiri, and I was very pleased he got the man of the match after the game. So I think that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment and tell me what you think. Happy New Year, guys. I'm back this year, and I'm going to be uploading more videos regularly as usual. So I think that's all for today. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye.